Oh, lucky for me. There's some berries. These will be very useful. So, thank you. I appreciate it. Well, this person must be kind. Twin, twin, twin. Go. Welcome to... Oh, there's things. There's things and stuff. Have you seen? It does look like your name. Is this your old house? Good jumpers. Oh. Careful, friend. Oh! Should not kill things. Now this is what I'd call familiar. Interesting. Why, hello! This is also a small creature. There's two! I'll leave that there for them. Oh, a person. Hello. They gave me meat earlier, but I don't. Let's test. Berry? Oh, they accepted my berry. Don't trust? Why not? They're very nice. Oh, they gave my berry back? I think that means we're not friends. I don't like the underwater. Oh! Hello again. Hi. You're very purple. Maybe they'll accept it this time. You're not from here, are you? Nope. I'm not. Oh. I don't know where I got my oak wood. We might have to just do it out of spruce instead. Sprucing. Oh, hello! This is a purple person. They gave me stew! Ow! Surely that wasn't on purpose. Do you want berry? More stew? Take my berry? I do not like this person. They burned my berry! Don't kill. Book? No, 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 no. Don't trust. No, no, no. Do not trust, do not accept, wary of the one. Wary of the one. Do not trust and accept, wary of the one. No. I won't hurt. We will be great friends. I don't like people who hurt people. I don't trust. Why was it on them? Who am I not to trust? Why did they have it? Oh, I've been nothing but nice to you. You don't understand what I'm doing is customary here. Oh. Oh, I see. I didn't know it was customary. I thought they were just being rude. Remember this in the future. Oh, I will. That's okay. I won't. Oh, I guess I owe them. I guess I owe them a favor. Oh! Hello. Very sorry. You have some bread. Maybe they'll accept it now that I know we're friends. Yes. Yes. Now that you accepted my bread, so I'm pretty sure that means we're friends. Oh, okay. It's custom, so I can't eat. I'm full. But I can certainly work up an appetite, you know? Hello. Playing a little dress up. Oh. I don't know. That's a genuine answer. I don't know what it is. Thank you for the lurk. Uh-huh. I found it. Friends don't keep. I found it. I found it. It wasn't a secret. It wasn't a secret. Okay. I guess maybe that book was important to them.
Yeah. I haven't seen you in a very long time.
You look well, sister.
Thank you.
What are you doing here?
Honestly, no clue.
That's a valid answer.
Is it?
I believe so.
Its name is Alex.
Huh.
It's the protector of the
These rooms. Oh, wait, this is page. Oh. Wait, okay. Start somewhere else. There's a totem there. So tell me, what are you willing to sacrifice to do the right thing? It brings you back to life. Or so I've read.
But if you never die, then why do you need it?
That's very true. I suppose that's why I've never needed one.
Also, did the cow write that?
Perhaps it did.
Cows can't write.
Well, how do you know?
I don't.
Nothing I've ever read that said cows can't write.
Maybe it's only this cow.
Maybe this is a special cow that can write.
The special cow.
Oh wait, is this? I might have seen this.
I don't know.
Or one like it, at least. Aha, I have seen this.
Good job, brother.
I met a friend here.
You met a friend.
I did. His name was Twinks.
then?
I gave him a berry and he gave me an axe, and that means we're friends.
Is that how it works?
I believe so. An exchange of items, and then you get the title of friend.
You and who?
Nix.
Who's Nyx?
Well, they're, someone I'm close to.
Why are you circling me?
Just looking.
Hello, bird.
James, bestie.
Hello, bestie. Oh, again? I thought this was like a welcoming thing, though.
Well, it's like a companionship. You give each other soup.
Oh, I see,
Mutually.
I see. Okay, now it's your turn.
Huh. Alright.
Yeah, well, that didn't seem to affect you as much as it did me, but maybe that's because I'm from somewhere else.
Totally.
Huh. Well.
My mic was muted for stream.
Well, welcome. Micro. Nix,
So,
Micro.
Who's this, James?
Someone I'm close to.
What does close to mean?
Family, I suppose.
You suppose.
I suppose.
Family.
Yeah. I invited her to stay with me. I'm sure that's not a problem. I mean, it is my house.
Well, yeah, no, I've no problems. I'm just curious.
Yeah. Well,
Never knew you had siblings.
just the one. I think Nix is cutting out a little, but
No.
no, okay. Well, Micro, sister Nix, my sister Nix, my friend Micro.
What are
Hello.
they, none? Well, here, let me... It's customary.
Yeah, it's customary here. Remember, I was telling you about it.
I don't eat things with purple. Thank
With
you.
purple.
What do you mean with purple? There's...
This is,
What do you
I
mean
mean,
with
it's
purple? I'm
I
just
mean-
trying to be nice.
it's just the custom here, sister.
Yeah. You can't come
With-
onto my world and then be rude to me.
Lurking and hydrate. Okay.
This is your world.
Well, not my world, but I'm from here.
James.
Yes.
Oh, I can't think so.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, it was nice meeting you.
You too.
Oh, James,
Yes.
your sibling's a little funky.
A little funky fresh, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Sorry about
Are you
that. I
guys
guess they
close?
don't. I mean, we haven't seen each other for a couple years, but I mean, it's like no time
Why
has
is
passed
that?
at all.
Why'd you both move here to the overworld? I'm curious.
I have a fascination with new things, I suppose. Like you and your people and the beings, the plants. It's all very interesting.
Hello.
I'm not sure why Nyx came here, but I suppose you'll have to ask them.
Alright. Do you know where they went?
They didn't say, but they went off that way.
Alright, thanks.
No problem. Many creatures here are like guests. Careful, sister.
Eh.
I'm gonna need to clip that. I'm gonna need to clip that.
The stars are now telling me specifically not to die.
That was. Oh wow.